Happy morning, students. Hope everyone is fine and safe at home. In today's class, we are going to see finite and non-finite verbs. Before learning finite and non-finite verbs, let us recall what is verbs. Verbs are the action words. The actions what we do, all the actions will come under verbs. For example, play, write, sleep, run, walk. All these words will come under verbs. So we are parting the verbs into two as finite verbs and non-finite verbs. Okay, finite verbs and non-finite verbs. So let us learn what is finite verb. The verb changes according to the subject. The verb changes according to the subject. See here, I have given here change in subject because the verb will change when we change the subject and also when we change the tense in finite verbs. Okay, see here, the boy goes to school. This is the example. The boy goes to school. You can see here the verb goes. Okay, here the subject is the boy. So now we are going to change the subject. So that we are going to change the subject the boy into a pronoun I. So when I am changing this I, the verb here change into go. Now what happened? The verb is changing according to the subject. I am changing the subject, the verb is changing. So this verb is called finite verb. Okay, how the verb is called? The verb is called as finite verb. Okay, let us see the change in tense. Okay, listen here this sentence. Again the same example I used because if I use the same example you can understand very easily. The boy goes to school. The boy goes to school. You can see here the verb goes and in what tense it is? It is in the simple present tense. Now I have changed the tense into past. Now the verb is changing into went. The boy went to school. The boy went to school. The verb now changed when I changed the tense. This sentence is present tense, this sentence is past tense. So when we are changing the sentence into past tense, the verb will change. So if the verb change according to the subject and also the tense, such verbs are called as finite verbs. Such verbs are called as finite verbs. Hope you understood what is finite verb. Let us move to non-finite verbs. Non-finite verbs, the verbs does not change according to the subject. Here in the finite, the verb change according to the subject. But in the non-finite forms, the verb does not change according to the subject. See here, we can find the verbs first in the sentence. The same goes, we found the verb here. And also we found another verb to play. Okay. And in the second sentence also we found the verb go. And also we found the another verb play. Okay. Two verbs are here. Let us see the example. I have given same like in the finite verbs. Change in subject and change in tense. Let us understand clearly. See the example. The boy goes to play cricket. The boy goes to play cricket. Here you can see this goes is the verb which is changing when the subject comes. Okay. But here see the another verb to play. It won't change when I am changing the subject. See here. I am changing the subject here. Here the boy is the subject. Okay, now when I am writing the sentence it is goes. Now I am changing the subject here as I. Now the verb change into go. But this verb retains the same. Okay. So to play, to play. Okay, the verb which will not change. Okay, this verb which will never change when we are changing the subject. This kind of verbs are called non-finite verbs. Okay, the verb which will change is called finite verb. The verb which won't change, that are called non-finite verbs. Okay, Let us see the change in tense. Now I am going to change the same sentence into the past tense. See here, the boy, but goes here changed into went, past tense. So here this verb will change, so it is a finite verb, but the to play is another verb which will never change when I am changing the tense. So when we are changing the tense, the verb which does not change, that is called non-finite verbs. Hope you understood the concept. Okay, let us recast fast. Verbs are the action words. There are two types of verbs, finite verbs and non-finite verbs. The verbs change according to the subject is a finite verb, and the verb which does not change according to the subject is a non-finite verb. Hope you understood the concept. Thank you.